first-class manufacturing and finishing standards. Working size, 2,100 on 2,800 millimeters. Industrial servo motors. 8 vacuum zones. Heavy-duty gantry. Spindle, 9 kilowatts. 2 vacuum pumps, 7.5 kilowatts. Positioning cylinder. Rollers for additional vacuum support. Dust removal system for board. Automatic tool change. Automatic tool measurement. Magazine with 12 tools. Taiwan LNC control system. Capacity, up to 100 boards in 8 hours. Working speed, 30 meters per minute. Automatic loading and unloading of material.